Here is a video on multi-digit subtraction, the way that we've been doing it. So basically by partitioning 230 into 230, take away 147 is made of 147. So what I've said previously is to work from left to right when it comes to subtraction. This will be the case. So what we do here, we do 200, take away 100. Every time we completed the sum, we should cross them out so not to confuse it with those that are not been done. Then we are left with 130, take away 47. Now then we look at 30, is it enough to take away 47? In this case, it is not enough. So we save it in our pocket. Every time we say save it in your pocket, we circle it so children will then remember to add up the numbers in the circle. Then go next door, which is 100. So 100 take away 47. 100 take away 47 is quite tricky, but as we have discussed it before, what we do, we can split this into 40 and 7, and then we say what is 100 take away 40 is 60. So it's 60 left. That's done. Now we're looking at 60 take away 7, or you can use a 30 to take away 7. Now 60 0 is not enough to take away 7, so we go next door and borrow a 10. So because this is a 60, okay, we can borrow a 10, so there will be 50 left. Save it in the pocket, and 50 left. Save it in your pocket by circling it, and you got 10. So now use the 10 to take away 7 is 3, so you got 3 left. Okay, so altogether you got 30 at 3 at 50. So 50 at 30, you get 80, then at 3 is 83 the answer. Okay, now we're going to do another one. For example, we do 566 take away 178. Okay, what we do is we split it into 566. This is 178. Do the hundreds first. 500 take away 100 is 400 left. Okay, then 66 take away 78, it cannot be done, so save the 66 and go next door. Next door is 400. Now we don't need all this 400, we just need to borrow 100. So when 400 we borrow 100 is 300 left. So we circle this to save in our pocket and use 100. So now use the 100 to take away 78. Again, it's not that straightforward. So what we do, we then split this into 70 and 8. So what is 100 take away 70 is 30. Now then use the 30 to take away 8. So 0 take away 8 is not possible. So go next door and borrow 10. So we need a 10. So then there will be 20 left. Yeah? So 10 take away 8 is 2. So that's done. So what we have got here is 300 at 20, at 60. So 60 at 20 is 86. At 2, 88. At 300, 388. So it seems like a lot of branching here going on, but this is one of the methods that will enable them to see where the numbers have gone at each step.